To connect Oppo Enco Air 4 Pro with your Android device like phone or tablet, first of all you will have to start for entering the Bluetooth pairing mode. So you will have to recharge the case for at least 5 minutes. Then with the both earbuds inside and this lid opened, you will have to click and hold this button until indicator starts blinking white. So now we can release, put it close to your phone, go into the Hey Melody application. If you don't have this, you can go into the Google Play Store and start downloading this application. In this time you can go to the Bluetooth settings, click to pair new device, select Oppo Enco Air 4 Pro and accept this pairing request. Next, go back into this mobile application and open it. Accept this statement of use and add device to enjoy your music. So click add, accept permission and click on the add button one more time. Right now from this list you have to select a device to connect, so we have to select Oppo Enco Air 4 Pro, and as you can see we are successfully connected. Thanks for watching. Right now please subscribe.